Umintri rong ba kajela ukonat kisangma ha kasingin kong jong ka alpu pratarik ujeliu ula pentip bak sarkar jela kalarai banpin kalano ya kamairang subdivision sya kadesik kebatma bat kani kanlong nado ka khatsan tarik unai lur matausnem.
Mairang district has been announced and Mairang will be the new district of our state, and because of COVID the situation has been slightly slow, but to let the people of Mairang know and feel positive about it, that we will do our best to ensure that before Independence Day, the Mairang district is functional. That will be our objective.
Halor ke jingdawa banpin kiu kedan ya kasora civil subdivision sya kadesik batmai nakaliang umintri rong ba kajela uloong bayakani kapang on saparkhat khamadian.
Solar has been again an area of concern. There has been demands for it, but because of the geographical landscape and the areas of Nusla and Down and all these other areas that are across the valley, so the geographical, I should say, mapping is not coming to a point where we're able to really look at a consensus. So all those issues are being discussed, and we will see how to move forward. But if you remember my speech when I gave in Mairang, I think it was 31st of March 2021. So when I gave the speech that day, I mentioned that Mairang is at the bottom in terms of the sustainable development goals. And the main purpose of doing this really is to push the life standards of the people in Mairang and other parts of West Khasi Hills. And therefore the need was very justified. So therefore we decided and announced that we will go, and as I said, that our endeavor will be that we make Mairang district functional before the 15th of August 2021, before this Independence Day. We'll make Mairang district